Hello everyone, I welcome you all to the channel Education Mentor. I hope you are doing absolutely fine and ready for the exam. So I'm here to share a few tips that could help you, prep up your game for the exam. And let's start the video. So my first tip would be that you should, solve all the sample papers which are given in various books, so you can find on different and various websites. Try to obviously complete the previous year paper which was there. It would help you a lot. And NTA has released a lot of mock test papers for you. Also try to complete them. This would help you to know the exam pattern very clearly, and you should know how to solve the paper in the given time limit also. So you should practice about that as well. That one should solve the paper according to the time given. My second tip would be, you should focus on revision now. Revision will help you a lot. Do not, try to take up any new things like अभी current affairs करने का इस time पे कोई फायदा नहीं है. Obviously, revise what all you have read till now and clear the concept. Concept का clear होना is very important. At the end of the day, if you know the concept, you can solve the question very easily. So make sure your concepts are clear, and this time just focus on your revision. That is what is more important. The next thing I would like you to focus on is do not get yourself stressed at all. Do not take any stress. Exam acha hoga. Think positive, because what you think you become, it is said. So just have positive vibes around. Meditate for 10 minutes if you can and just relax. Tension leke, stress mein aake, you would only harm yourself, right? Do not take any stress. Everything will go fine. Just relax and calm down. That's what's needed, and focus on your revision. That's it. The most important, obviously, is you should be aware of all the guidelines which are given on your admit card, and you have to strictly compile with all the guidelines given. You should reach the examination center half an hour before the exam starts and carry a passport size photograph and all the required documents beforehand. Unki photocopy bhi le jana, it would be helpful, and carry all the documents. So these are the tips I would like to give to you before your examination, and I wish you all the very best for your exam. Read all the questions clearly before answering. Read the question twice. Focus on all the options which are given there, okay? And just read the paper thoroughly. It is very important to read the paper thoroughly and then give your answers. And obviously, while doing the paper, manage your time as well. You should know what time, how much time is left and everything. Yeah, that's all for the tips, and I wish you all the very best for exam. Good luck, everyone.